Did you know Artspira has a search bar? It makes looking for designs a cinch. You can find the search bar at the top of your screen on the homepage of the Artspira app. To start a new search, simply tap inside the search bar and type in a keyword. Press the search key and the app will find any files available that relate to your keyword. There are two ways to sort and filter your search. Select the recommended key. This is actually a sorting tool. The app defaults to sort your search by the recommended files, but you can choose to sort them by popular or new as well. On the right side, you'll see a blue circle with 3 lines in it. This is your filter tool. Select the filter tool and browse the filtering options, like data type, which allows you to filter the type of design file you would like, embroidery or cut file. Embroidery frame, which allows you to filter by the size of the embroidery frame you'll be using, and thread color number, which filters by the number of colors in an embroidery design. Press apply and these filters will be applied to your search.